Hi, welcome to TGN YouTube channel. I'm Jason. Today we'll be unboxing a product from Peplink, and on top of here you will see there's two additional devices. It's actually to complement this main item that we have in this box. Okay, before I cut it up and show you guys what is it, let me tell you briefly. It's a multi-WAN load balancer. Alright, so basically it helps you manage your multiple WANs that you may have. Okay, for this particular unit by itself, default it has two WANs support, and you can add on additional modules to increase your LAN ports and your WAN ports. Alright, so for this video it will be a starting one where we will be showing you the router, the main unit itself, following which we will have additional videos to complement these videos to show how we install the additional modules into the router itself. Alright, so let me cut up the box. This is the box itself, and let me show you what's inside here. Okay. Alright, so very briefly and quickly, let me open it up. Okay, it's pretty huge. Okay, it's a very huge machine, and in fact it even has its own rail kit. Okay, so over here this is the rail kit. Okay, let me set it aside and put it one side. Okay, and these are the accessories that comes with it. Let me show it to you. So over here you have your ears for the rack mount router, okay, and you have dual power cords because it has dual PSU. Alright, so let me set it aside and let me lift up the protection that's here. Okay, and the quick user guide. Okay, it's quite heavy, just to show you. Alright, so it's now out of the box. Let me remove the packaging. Okay. Right, so this is the back of the router. Let me remove the tape. Okay. Okay, so from the front, we can see that we are looking at the Peplink SDX-Pro. Okay, so it has a modular system where you can expand with additional modules to add on multiple ports. In the case, we will be showcasing with quad SFE plus ports and also with 8 RJ45 gigabit ports. Alright, so by itself it has two WANs. Alright, and also two LANs, and also two SFP plus ports here. Okay, so all the ports are actually definable. Okay, you can select and define all these ports. Right, so there's two WAN ports, and there's two WAN ports. Alright, and then there's two SFP plus. Alright, and then this is the screen by itself. Okay, at the back of the unit, okay, you will see that there's two PSU, so there's dual redundancy and power protection. Alright, and at the bottom nothing else. Alright, so basically there are ventilation holes around, and there are quite a number of protection around. Okay, so basically what we are looking here, it's a SDX-Pro. Okay, and it has the USB connection that's dual, so you can actually add on USB thumb drives, or you could, not the thumb drives, but you can add on USB 4G modems, alright, to have additional WANs, alright, and also the modular system here. Okay, so we'll be having our additional videos to show how we install the modules and also to start it up and to do the configurations. Alright, so do keep a lookout for our next video on expanding the SDX-Pro, and we will definitely explain a lot more with regards to the user interface. Alright, if you enjoyed the video, please remember to click like and also remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.